2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser. Really nice truck. Well, we got done on it. Factory converters, they're in there. There's a total of 4. 2 up here and 2 over here. And then it wires into a single right there. And we did just a muffler delete on it with a dump because his shocks are going out, so there's not a lot of space for it. So we just dumped it for him, so it should be pretty loud. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a second. And again, sorry for the rain, guys. Oh, it's pouring. There's the muffler that was on it. Not bad. I like it. There's sound decibels. Guys, check out his collection right there. And there. Do it again. Beep, beep. FJ Cruiser with a dunk. Muffler delete.